In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailchimp campaign. Whether you're cleaning up old campaigns or you simply want to declutter your Mailchimp account, removing unused campaigns can help you stay organized and focused on your current marketing strategies. Let's start by navigating to the Mailchimp website. You'll need to log into your account, so head over to the Mailchimp login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username or email followed by your password. Make sure to enter your credentials accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your information, click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Mailchimp account. This dashboard is your control center, where you can manage all aspects of your email marketing. The next step is to locate the campaign you wish to delete. To do this, navigate to the campaign section of Mailchimp. You can find this by looking for the campaigns link, often located in the top navigation bar of your dashboard. Click on this link to proceed. Once you're in the campaigns section, take a moment to browse through your list of campaigns. You might have quite a few to sift through if you've been using Mailchimp for a while. Find the specific campaign you're planning to delete. It could be an old campaign that's no longer relevant, or maybe a test campaign you created while experimenting with Mailchimp's features. When you've located the campaign to be deleted, click on it. This action will take you to a detailed view of the campaign, where you can see all the information related to it, including content, recipients, and performance metrics. Pay close attention to the details here to ensure you're deleting the correct campaign, as this action cannot be undone. Look for the delete option. This button or link is typically found within the campaign settings or actions menu. The exact location might vary slightly depending on updates to the Mailchimp interface, but it's usually not hard to find. Once you've found the delete option, click on it. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed with deleting the campaign. This is your last chance to cancel the action, so make sure you're deleting the right campaign. If you're certain you want to move forward, click delete again in the confirmation dialog. By doing this, you are confirming your decision, and Mailchimp will permanently remove the selected campaign from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a campaign from your Mailchimp account. It's important to remember that once a campaign is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so always make sure you're certain before proceeding with deletion. Deleting unused or unnecessary campaigns is an excellent practice to keep your Mailchimp account tidy and organized, allowing you to focus on your current and future email marketing efforts. Remember, managing your campaigns efficiently plays a crucial role in the success of your email marketing strategies. Regularly reviewing and cleaning up your Mailchimp account not only helps in maintaining organization, but also provides you with a clearer overview of your active campaigns, making it easier to plan and execute upcoming marketing activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your email marketing efforts with Mailchimp. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Happy marketing,